guys, it's your girl Krystle and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a review on a skincare product. So I haven't done a skincare review or any skincare routines lately. I started off my channel with skincare routines, but I've just been venturing off to other things that I know you guys like as well. But today I'm gonna do a review on the Gleamin clay skin mask. It's been like all over Instagram. Everyone's been raving about it. So I was like, a skincare product, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And it is for brightening and it's for women of color because we get a lot of hyperpigmentation, a lot of dark spots, and so on and so forth. You already know the drill if you are a black girl. So I got this in the mail. I think I ordered it on like Wednesday or Thursday, and it came on Monday. I didn't open it yet, but it was like kind of not like closed all the way. But here it is. So I'm just gonna open it on camera so you guys can get the first impressions. All right, so here's the box. Super cute, huh? And I might need a box cutter or some scissors because I cannot open it. It's kind of weak. Oh, I got it. So here we go. I'm really excited though, to be honest, because I do have hyperpigmentation, as a lot of black girls do, and a few dark spots that have been popping up. Damn, can I get this open? All right, here's the box. Here, it has the ingredients over here. So it's ingredients. Australian clay, aloe vera, leaf juice, castor oil, something that I can't pronounce, water, grapeseed oil, almond oil, turmeric extract, I think I pronounced that wrong, kale, lime, vitamin E, yeah, a bunch of organic ingredients. Some of them I cannot pronounce, and that doesn't mean that it's not good for you. People always say, like, if you can't pronounce something, it's not good for you. Like, sis, I just can't pronounce it. Okay, so then it has this how to use it on here. So it says, we suggest applying evenly to a fresh, cleansed face using the brightening brush provided. Oh, it comes with the brush. Allow 10 minutes for the clay to fully dry. 3, gently remove your mask with warm water and pat dry using a soft, clean towel. Number 4 is glow time, period. So here we go. I'm gonna open this box. I need to wash my face. First of all, why is it ripped like that? It's not even pretty, like it's ripped. Whatever. This is kind of heavy. I don't know if it's a lot of product or the container that's heavy. It is 2.1 ounces. This is so cute. I love yellow. All right, here's the brush that it came with. Let's see what this brush is talking about. Oh, this is a cute little brush, so you don't have to use your hands. So you can use that. Let's open this. The top was barely closed on there. Why do I feel like someone used this before I got it? It smells fresh. It has like a fresh scent. I don't know, I can't really describe it. But here it is. I've heard that this is like really, really good. So fingers crossed that it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face so I can have a clean, fresh face for this so it can work properly. And then I'm gonna put the mask on. I'm probably gonna go to my bathroom so that I don't get this like all on my table and such. So yeah, gonna head over there. Okay, so I'm back. I just washed my face with my black soap, and as you can see, I'm like super dry. I don't know, like I think it's because of the winter time, but like I've been so dry the last like 2 weeks, so my face is like super dry. So that's why it's all ashy, because I just washed it. Nothing's on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this Gleamin face mask with the brush that they provided with it. hopefully this works, because like as you can see now in this light, how you can see the hyperpigmentation. It's like all around my mouth area, and then a little bit like here on my chin. That's hyperpigmentation, if you don't know what hyperpigmentation is. So hopefully this is gonna help. So I'm just gonna use this that's on the top, so I'm not wasting any of the products. Here goes. Get closer. Like, you guys have been going crazy on Instagram over this. This better work. And then they've been like really selling out. Like every time they get new stock, it'll be like sold out in like one day. I was lucky and surprised that I was able to order it and they had it like right in stock. So when that happened, I was like, yes, I don't have to wait. I hate waiting. You know, we all are like so impatient these days. So usually when I use my other clay mask, I don't put it like right underneath my eye, because like I don't want it to pull down on my eye because it gets so tight. But I don't think that this one gets like super tight like that. So I'm just gonna put it underneath my eye, because of course I want my under eyes to glow. Dang, I should have took my nose ring out. Whatever. So I used all of that from the top already. So now I'm gonna dig into the actual container and start on my forehead. And I don't want to get it on my eyebrows either, or my hairline. So I'm just gonna go like super gentle in that area. It's the new look or what? So as I'm putting it on, it doesn't feel like too harsh. It doesn't feel like tingly or anything like that. It's like a warm feeling, you know, like when you put mint on or like some icy something. It feels very like soothing. That's the word for it. It feels really soothing and like comfortable. And it's cold too because it was in my mailbox. So like nice and cool, soothing on my face. So I think this might be enough. I like to go overboard for whatever reason. But yeah, hopefully I have some spots like right here, like a dark spot here. So hopefully this will help. And since I've been dry too, maybe this will help with the moisture. It doesn't say though how many times a day it should be used though. Actually, and then earlier I did say that it was for women of color. It says it works for all skin types. I mean, so I would assume that's for like non-women of color. And then it is cruelty-free and vegan. You guys know how I am about cruelty-free. Stain-free. So if you get this on your clothes or your towel is not gonna be yellow, which is a good thing because I know like a lot of people use towels to wash off their face. I personally use my hands to wash product off of my face just because like I don't want it on my towel, and I don't want the towel like, I don't know, I feel like some towels are like super harsh, so I just rather just use my hands. Yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and come back in 10 minutes and see how I feel, how it looks, and so on and so forth, and give you guys like my final review on this. So far so good. I'm loving it so far. It feels good compared to like the other clay mask that I use. That mask gets like super tight. This actually is starting to tighten up, and it's only been on for what I've been talking and rambling for like a minute or two, so it's starting to get a little tighter now. So I'm just gonna be back in 10 minutes and see how it feels. All right, so I'm back. It's been about 10 to 15 minutes, probably closer to 20, I can't even lie. So it is getting pretty tight. Still not as tight as other clay masks I've used before. It is starting to peel off and really dry up. The one thing I do like about this one, that it doesn't get like super tight, so where I can like still put it underneath my eyes and it's not like pulling my eyes down like this, because like that is so unhealthy. You don't want like a lot of tension underneath your eyes like that. So this is not giving me like a lot of tension and like too tight underneath my eyes, which I love that. I am going to rinse this off. It does say to rinse it off with warm water and pat dry with a soft towel. You guys know I don't use a towel to like take off or wash my face. So I'm going to take it off with my hands in warm water. I do use a towel to kind of like pat dry, just so my face isn't dripping with water. So I'm gonna do that with some warm water, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what my face look like. And let's see if I have that instant glow that it claims to do. Okay, so the clay mask is all off. I'm just gonna pat the rest of the water off of my face. Okay, so right off the bat, my face feels really smooth. It does not feel as dry as it has felt in the past with other clay masks. I didn't tell you how much it costs while I'm thinking about it. So this was $40, $39.99 I believe. And I think it was free shipping. But yeah, it was $39.99, so that's pretty good. And it seemed like this could probably last, depending on how often you do it, this could probably last some good time. So, I mean, it was a pretty decent price for 2.1 ounces. Like I said, my face feels so clean and like refreshing. And here's the dark spots I was telling you guys about. But yeah, it feels really good. So next, whatever clay mask you use, whatever products you're gonna use on your face for a mask, I would definitely recommend moisturizing your face afterwards, because my face, although it does feel smooth and moisturized at the moment, I know later on down the line, like in a couple hours or such, it's gonna soak in all that moisture and my face is still gonna feel dry again. So I'm using my rose water, as I always do. And you already know I have my Neutrogena water gel, my Hydro Boost water gel. I'm gonna put this all over my face. But yeah, overall, I would say I really enjoyed the clay mask. As I was rinsing it off, it was not too hard to get off. It like kind of like slid off a little bit. It was, once you mix water with it, it gets a little slimy. You can just kind of like just wipe it off of your face. But I would recommend taking it off in the shower. I just think that it's a little easier to do it in the shower, because you can just kind of like wipe it off of your face and just, you know, let it fall down into the drain. But as opposed to like, I just washed my face off in the sink and I had to like keep really tagging at it to kind of get it off without making a mess all over my sink. So I think washing it off in the shower would definitely be a better situation. I'm gonna see if it really does give me like some glow after I use it a couple more times. I don't see like why it would. It has all the ingredients in here for your skin to glow, because vitamin C, that's what vitamin C does. So I'm pretty sure this will probably be one of my go-tos. I will still use my other clay mask, I'm pretty sure, but I'll probably use this one the most now. So we'll see. So yeah, that's all I have. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely have this linked in the description so that you guys can go ahead and get one. Oh my god, so I was about to throw the packaging away that the face mask came in, and there was a keychain in there that says Gleamin on it. I would have thrown this all the way in the garbage. Like, this is so cute. And it's only been like a few minutes. Look at my skin after putting like moisturizer and such on it. Not too bad. Okay, so yeah, I definitely will be using this again. But anyways, yeah, this is really the end of the video. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment, because as always, I love replying back to you guys' comments. If you would like to connect with me on Instagram, make sure you follow me over there at _Krystle, KRYSTLEW. So I'll see you later. Bye.